All the animals just out enjoying the beautiful day. Hi, Kevy. Hey, Ernie. Say hi. Hey, baby. Hey, girlfriend, Butterscotch. Hey, girl. Good girl. Well, here comes all your little sisters. Here comes all the little sisters. You guys gonna come over? I'll come over the fence. Hey, Leo one. Hey, Molly. Stella. What you doing, Stella? You out here playing with your sisters? Hey, Nancy. Hey, Holly. Applesauce. You guys being good together? Good girls. Where's Veda and Otis? They must be over by the barn. Hey, Nancy. You say hi? She's my biggest one. We can walk over here and try and find Veda and Otis. Probably both over here sleeping. Yep, here's Veda. I'm sorry. Did I wake you up? Huh? Did I wake you up? Sorry, girl. Where's your brother? Is he in the barn? Let's see if he's over here first. Well, he might be back in the barn. Oh, no, there he is. He found a new little place that he likes. Hey, Otis. I don't know if you can see him way in there, but he's in there. See him in there? Hey, buddy. You girls coming over to see me? Huh, Stell? You guys leave Otis alone. He's over there sleeping. Hey, Nancy. She's my little bear. She's like a little black bear, that's what she looks like. Here are Molly and Holly. And here's Baby again. Looks like the other animals are all walking out back. sorry, Kevin. I didn't mean to scare you. Didn't mean to scare you. Hey, boys. Oh, here comes baby running over here. Where are we going? Are we going for a walk? Butterscotch, where are we going? Oh, you got cockaburs in your tail again. Get it out. Hold still. There you go. Come on, Kevy. Pigs can't come out here right now until I get the fence fixed a little better before they can come out here. Bye, Ernie. Baby's ear is doing really well. Such a beautiful day.